the best leaders understand the value of time, and not just their time, but they care about the time of their team. You don't want, or they don't want, $100,000 a year person doing stuff that a $50,000 a year person could do. So they actively try to figure out, how can we get those things off your plate? Is it that we have to, you're wasting time in email and we have to train you? Is it you're doing the role of a junior person and we need to hire that person? So that's one thing, is they understand the value of time, and they're not just trying for themselves to save time, but they're actively trying to have each of their team do things that tap into their unique zone of genius or are at the hourly rate that it should be. Right?
I can already see how, in terms of finding meaning in work and moving away from burnout, they're some of the byproducts of what you've just
100%.
spoken about already. Yeah.
I mean, imagine what your company looks like if everyone's working on things that either give them joy or tap into their superpower. And so great leaders are really focused on that. How can they remove all the other crap from their team's plate so they can do the best, most meaningful work of their life at that company? And then obviously they are good at setting vision, financing vision. They have developed a strong sense of culture in the company. I mean, those are some of the key things I've seen.